how to use the Axiom surgical kit. Hello, my name is Audrey. I'm training manager at Campus Antogia. In this short video, I will describe the content of our Axiom surgical kit. One single compact surgical kit for all Axiom BL and TL from diameter 3.4 to 6.4 and from length 6.5 to 18 mm. This surgical kit is very easy to use thanks to the color coding, linking each drill to the corresponding implant diameter. Ready? Let's go! 1. Discover the content of the kit. 2. Good to know. Thanks to this short video, you are now ready to place your implants using the Antogia Axiom surgical kit. I hope you liked this video and I wish to see you soon for another campus video tutorial.